What up, internet? I am the PC Goblin. And I just got the limited edition, collector's edition, whatever you call it, Batman Beyond, the complete series. And I want to unbox it with you guys, just so you guys can see what's inside it and share the excitement with me. So let's go ahead and get to it. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. And here's the bottom that lists the number that it is. It's 32,896 of 50,000 made. Yeah, we'll just pop the top. And there's the bin that I was trying to avoid. Oh well. So, bring it up. Pretty simple. We've got Batman. So there's the Joker. And then it has a manual that tells you what's on every disc. So these are just like hollow cards. They kind of look like they're moving if you move them. And then on the back of them, it just looks like that. And finally, the little Funko Pop for this. All in all, I'd say this set isn't as nice as the Batman animated series set that they released a few months ago, but this is really exciting, a really cool set, and I'm gonna go watch it now. And if this is the first time to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my stuff. You may find it interesting. It's a whole bunch of different tech kind of things. So check that out, and I'll see you next time.